Office of the Chief Electoral Officer, Government of Meghalaya, had launched the summary revision in Shillong on the 1st of November 2021, where a similar program had been organized in other districts of the state. The slogan for the revision summary, "Why stand in line when you can do it online?" is an encouragement to all eligible voters to come forward and get themselves officially enrolled in the electoral roll of the state. Speaking to media persons, the Chief Electoral Officer, Government of Meghalaya, F.R. Kharkongor, informed that a voters app has been launched by the government wherein new voters can register themselves and fill in their details in Form 6, while for those who would like to change their addresses from one constituency to another can do so by filling up details in Form 8 of the Commission. Kharkongor therefore urged upon the youth to take the opportunity to get their names in the electoral roll and to educate everyone on the same so that the entire electoral process of enrollment can be conducted in a smooth and seamless manner.
So, I would like to urge all the BLOs and all political parties to kindly disseminate this information and to continue to use creative means and strategies on how to rope in and how to motivate young citizens to come and enroll themselves in Form 6, to correct their names to Form 8, to get themselves deleted to Form 7, and to educate and to join hands with everyone so that this process goes on in a seamless and in a smooth manner.